all are fine. Greetings of the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computers. Students, we were on chapter number 6, animations in Scratch, and we have already completed one session. So this is the second session of this chapter, okay? Students, before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area. Use headphones for better sound quality and sit with all your essential stationery. So let's begin. Okay. So first of all, tell me what we have learned in the previous session. What was previous session all about? We have learned what is Scratch, what are the features of Scratch, and what are the different components of Scratch, right? Okay, so tell me what is Scratch? What is Scratch? Yes, it is a program that allows you to create animations, games, and so many different projects, right? With so much ease. You do not have to write the coding, you only have to drag the ready-made blocks, right? So tell me, what are the components of Scratch? What are the different components of Scratch? We all have seen the Scratch window now. I have told you the different components. What are they? We have script area, we have sprite, block palette, right? Stage, all these are the different components of Scratch, right? Next, we have learned about the features of Scratch. What are the features of Scratch? First is, it is very easy to learn and understand, right? You do not have to make much effort, है ना? You do not have to learn the coding, no? You only have to drag the ready-made block to create the script, and it is available free of cost. You only have to download, okay? You do not have to pay anything to buy it, okay? You only have to download it. It's free of cost. Right? It has a very interactive graphical user interface. It increases your interest, right? Because the things are graphical, है ना? So you feel interested to do programming in Scratch, right? All these are the different features of Scratch, no? अब आ गया ना एकदम से दिमाग में कि what is Scratch, what were the components of Scratch, what were the features of Scratch? Should we continue? Okay, today we will learn more about Scratch, okay? We will do a little bit programming, but for that we will have to go in the virtual practical lab. So are you all ready? Okay, let's come.
This is Scratch window, okay? And this is the sprite. These are the tabs and this is the blocks palette. You know all these things? Okay, today we will learn how to repeat the action, how to use different blocks. You can using the looks block, using forever block, okay? I will tell you the function of all the blocks, and also we will create a script using all the blocks, okay? We will also add sound to our project, okay? So first of all, let's make a script for repeating actions and using repeat and forever block. I will tell you the function of every block, okay? So in motions block, this is the motion block. If we want to change the position of our sprite, we will use the blocks of the motion palette, okay? So let's drag the blocks, move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees. Then in events, can you see this block when green colored flag is drawn and clicked? If you drag this block, what it will do, it will enable the script to run when we will click this flag. And where is this flag is here, okay? This is the green flag, When you will click this flag, the script will run, okay, and this sprite will perform the actions. And if you want to stop, you click the stop button. This is the stop button, the button in the red at the top right corner. This is the stop button, okay. When you will press this, only then the actions of the sprite will stop if it is started by green flag, okay. Have you understood the function this block when green flag clicked? Okay, then these are all the blocks of the control palette, okay. In control palette, these are the different blocks. See, wait 1 second, repeat, forever. These are all the blocks of control palette. Let's just use this wait 1 second. Now next is repeat block. What does this block do? And if you do not know the function of any block, you can even know that also. Can you see these control buttons on the top of the screen? This control button is for help. When you will click this control button, your pointer will change into question mark. Can you see? My pointer has changed to question mark now. Now on whichever block I will click, the function of that block will be displayed. Let's click on repeat block. Here is the function, runs the blocks inside a specified number of times. If I will use this block repeat, and all the blocks that it will cover, those blocks or those actions will be repeated by the sprite in a loop. And what is loop? Loop is repeating the actions, okay. It is just a sequence of instructions that is repeated one after the other, or repeatedly, or doing anything repeatedly is doing it in a loop, okay. Have you understood the function of the repeat block? If you do not know the function of any block, you can know it with this question mark. That is, this is help block, okay, help block. And if you want your sprite to create a stamp, or wherever it will stop, it will create a stamp there. So how will you create that stamp? There is a block for stamp in pen group. Here is the block stamp. If you will use this block, the stamp, this cat will create a stamp, okay. I will show you how. Now since I have used when green flag click, so I can run the script from this green flag also, okay. So I will press this green flag, and I have used the block repeat, therefore it will repeat all these actions one after the other, okay. The cat will perform these actions in a loop. I will press this green flag. See, it's moving 10 steps, then it's waiting for 1 second, and then creating a stamp there. It's also taking turn, and it is repeating these actions, है ना, क्योंकि हमने तो एक बार के लिए स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है, right? We have written the script for once only, like, है ना, but it is repeating the actions, right? तो क्यों रिपीट कर रहा है? क्योंकि वी हैव यूज दिस रिपीट ब्लॉक, और आगे हमने 10 भी लिखा है, तो इट हैड रिपीटेड द एक्शंस 10 टाइम्स, उसके बाद इट हैज स्टॉप्ड, ठीक है. तो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द यूज ऑफ रिपीट ब्लॉक? नाउ वी हैव अ ब्लॉक फॉर एवर ऑल्सो. इन कंट्रोल वी हैव दिस फॉर एवर ब्लॉक, है ना. रिपीट तो है कि हमने इसमें रिपीट 10 टाइम्स लिख दिया कि तो इट विल रिपीट द एक्शंस 10 टाइम्स, ठीक है. See, if you want to move the blocks anywhere in the scripts area, you have to click on the very top block, okay. If you want to move them from here, you have to click on that. On whichever block you will click, the blocks under that or below that block, they all will move in a group, okay. Now I want to place this repeat back and use forever block, okay. So what will I do? I will click here, like from here I want to remove ना, तो अब repeat अलग हो गया, I will give it back, ठीक है. Again I will take it here, ठीक है. Now in control we have forever block. Now let's see what is the difference between forever and repeat block, okay. I will click the flag, and the sprite is performing the actions. ठीक है, see, it is repeating these instructions, right? But when we have used repeat block, it has stopped after 10 moves, right? But now it's not stopping, it is continuously repeating the actions, right? So forever means it will perform these functions forever without stopping. ठीक है, and if we will use repeat block, तो repeat block में what was there, it's here, it's written at 10, so it will repeat the actions only 10 times, or whatever the number will we will give it. Okay, this is the difference between repeat and forever block. Have you understood? If you want your sprite to stop, ठीक है, you have to press this red button. This is the stop button. Okay, when I will press this, see, sprite has stopped. ठीक है, now we will learn how to add sounds to our script. ठीक है, if we want our sprite to say something, we want to add sound, so we in sounds group, here are the sounds. ठीक है, see, I will drag this block. Now if we do not want our sprite to make the stamp, ठीक है, तो we will place that block back. ठीक है, play sound, then in control group I will again use this wait 1 second, it will wait for 1 second, then again sound, and here are different sounds. Okay, play drum 1 for 0.25 beats. If we will change this beat, change these beats, let's add write 5 beats. Play drum 1 for 5 beats. So many drums are here. Okay, you can change the numbers from here. ठीक है, like this. These are all the different drums. Okay, you can use any drum. Hand clap, I have chosen hand clap, so its drum number is 8. Play drum 8 for 5 beats. ठीक है, उसके बाद again in control wait for 1 second. Again in sound, which instrument you would like to have, let's use this. Play note 60 for 0.5 beats. Let's again change it to 5 beats, or any number you can use. ठीक है, again in control wait for 1 second, and in sound set instrument to 1, or here are the different instruments that you can choose. Set instrument to 4. The 4 one is guitar. Okay, this is the script. Now we will run this. ठीक है, and one more thing, we have used forever block. ठीक है, तो it will repeat itself. ठीक है, move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, and do all these functions. ठीक है, red flag, see, it has played sound meow. Now ड्रम प्ले हो गया, अब इट विल प्ले द नोट. ठीक है, तो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? सी, फॉर एवर ब्लॉक से क्या होगा, एक्शंस रिपीट होंगे. वी हैव एडेड दिस ना कि वेट फॉर 1 सेकेंड, तो इट इज वेटिंग आफ्टर प्लेइंग 1 बीट. दिस इज ड्रम. ओके, have you understood? Now we will press stop, so it has stopped, it will stop now. So have you understood how you will add sound to your script? In this way, from the sound group. Okay, here are so many sounds. You can even set the volume, you can change the volume. Okay, you and there are so many blocks. If you will use this Scratch, then only you will get to know the function of each and every block. Okay, it's very easy. Or you can add sound from sounds block, you can change looks from looks group, if you want your sprite to draw a line or to draw anything like stamp हो जाए या फिर to draw the line wherever it moves, तो you have to use pen block. ठीक है, here are blocks for events, controls, so many things you can do in Scratch. Okay, but for that you will have to open it at least. Okay, now if we want our sprite to say something, like if you want your want that यहाँ पे एक balloon pop up हो, एक bubble pop up हो and your sprite says something, so how will you do that? That the blocks for that are in looks group. Okay, चलो let's create a script for saying something. ठीक है, let's just give all these back, and in looks our sprite will say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, then for 2 seconds, then in control I will add wait for 1 second. I am adding the wait time only so that you can at least discriminate that what is happening. Okay, कि एक के बाद एक ब्लॉक ना आ जाए, एटलीस्ट वो वेट करे ताकि आप अच्छे से देख सको. ठीक है, you can create your script according to you. Now here the block is say और उसके आगे blank. Here you can write anything. I will write how are you. ठीक है, then again in control wait for 1 second, looks say I am fine. ठीक है, तो now our sprite will perform these actions. ठीक है, see what happens. ठीक है, let's play the green flag. Hello, again it will move for 10. I am fine. It's waiting for 1 second. ठीक है, how are you? I am fine. Hello, wait for 1 second. How are you? I am fine. ठीक है, have you understood what is happening? How you can make your sprite say something. This is the way to make your sprite say something, and it is repeating all these actions continuously. Why? Because we have used forever block, so it is doing the actions again and again. ठीक है, when I will press the stop button, it will stop. These are all the different functions of each block. Okay, now you can even change the looks of your of your sprite. ठीक है, इसी script में in the looks tab here you can switch to costumes. ठीक है, costume, switch to costume 2, or you can change write anything costume 2, then change color. Your sprite can change the color. ठीक है, you can change the size of the sprite by 10 or by any number. ठीक है, तो we have used all these blocks. ठीक है, I am placing wait time after every block so that you can differentiate. Okay, and you can at least know what is happening. Just see the stage very carefully. Okay, now we are changing the looks. ठीक है, we are using the looks tab. ठीक है, let's play. Okay, I'm clicking the green flag. See the changes that are happening. Hello, it's waiting for 1 second. How are you? Waiting for 1 second. I'm fine. ठीक है, changing the color, changing the size. ठीक है, it has switched its costume. अब पहले देखो शेप कैसा था कैट का, अभी कैसा हो गया, चेंज कलर चेंज कर लिया उसने, साइज बड़ा हो रहा है. If you see, size is increasing by 10 after every step. See, size has increased. ठीक है, तो have you understood the use of looks tab in this way? These are all the blocks of looks tab. ठीक है, if you will use the Scratch, you will get to know the function of every block. Then you will need not learn anything. Okay, we have used everything na. Sound में we have already used these drums है ना, play sound meow or play any sound. Or you can even choose your sound also. ठीक है, you can choose your sound, but for that you will have to add microphones to your laptop or your computer to add your own sound. Can you see the size of this sprite? It is increasing. हम बातें कर रहे हैं, sprite बड़ी होती जा रही है है ना? If you want to stop the project, or if you want the script to stop, you can click on the stop button. ठीक है, तो I hope you all have understood the today's session. Let's just quickly revise what we have learned today. We have learned to use motion block. ठीक है, then we have used sound block. In sound we have added different sounds na, meow, we have played instruments also, instrument guitar we have played, right? And then we have used looks tab. Our sprite has said, see, say hello. These are all the blocks of looks tab. ठीक है, say hello or say anything, your sprite can say anything. ठीक है, and we have added sounds. We have used events, like when clicked this is the block of the events group. ठीक है, in control group also we have used this wait 1 second, repeat, forever, all these blocks. ठीक है, have you understood? Okay,
Have you all understood how to add sounds to the script, right? How your sprite will talk and how to change the look. You all have understood now, right? है ना? But if you will not do all these things on your own, you will not understand them clearly. Okay? So just do this programming on your own. Okay? Now your homework is, you have to make a small program on Scratch, and you have to do all the things that we have discussed today. Okay? You have to add sound, you have to do the repeating actions. ठीक है? You will change the looks of this sprite. ठीक है? And just see which block performs which function. Okay? Create your own script and do the programming. Okay? Next, you have to solve brain developer exercises that are given at the end of the chapter. You have to solve them. Okay? In the next video, we will discuss the brain developer. Okay? I will discuss, but you will have to solve them on your own. Okay? That's all for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.